Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, the airdrop I am going to share with you, you shouldn't miss it even by mistake. Why shouldn't you miss it? I'll explain everything step by step. I'll also tell you how to do it. The name of this airdrop is Poseidon. So what they offer, Poseidon is a platform that provides safe, high quality data for training AI, and basically people share their data to earn rewards. Also, if you want, you can visit their website for more details. As for the funding, they already raised 15 million and their status is confirmed, which is great. And as for the investors, you see the top name A16Z. So they are always funding in unique projects that have high potential, so don't miss this. If you visit their X profile, you will notice they have only 16k followers right now, so we are joining super early in this project. Also, if you scroll down, then notice they share lots of updates and they are active, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you find this page link. So after visit this page, first you need to agree their terms and click on get started. Then here you need to sign up using your email, so continue with Google. Then choose your email. Then continue. And it's authentication and done. Now click next, then next again, and then again next, and after that it will ask you to allow your microphone. So here I faced a problem with my PC, so next step I'll do with mobile. So if you faced any issue with PC, then you can use mobile as well. So click on allow microphone. So here you need to keep 4 things in mind. You need to record a voice clip here where you speak clearly. Keep the mic close to you like this and try to speak naturally, meaning don't exaggerate your accent or anything. Speak in your real voice, and after that you should have a good quality network. Just after that you need to click on I'm ready. And you will see some words appear like this. So you need to record these words with your voice. Then click start recording. After that you will get an option to preview it. That means you can listen to it. Then if you feel everything is okay, then you just need to click on submit recording. As soon as you click on submit recording, your file will be uploaded. And you will see an interface like this. Here you can see all the campaigns for all languages. Look, first you have English. So here already 29,000 users joined already. To join, click here join. Then you see a page like this with data campaign. So basically you see time required, how much point you get, and status. So to join this campaign, click start campaign. Then click I'm ready. Now same, just like you need to recording this text paragraph with your voice by start recording, and then you need to submit, and after that you get your rewards. Similarly, then Korean, German, Spanish, Marathi, Urdu, Arabic, Chinese, you will get almost all languages here. For example, you click on German language. Then you see the same information with 1 or 2 minute time, gives you 250 points. Same like you can start campaign. Then a German paragraph appear. You need to record this with your voice and submit, and after you will get your points. So in the leaderboard you can go and check your ranking. Here I already got 25 points by signing up. Wherever you rank, it will show based on your points. Also click on this profile section. Here you will see your total points, campaign, referrals and activity. Also you will find your referral link. Simply you can copy this link and share with your friends and community for some extra points. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. So if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.